Hi, everybody. My name is Ken Lowe. I'm CEO and co-founder of ANX. This is ANX's first time in Dubai. I want to thank Mo for inviting us over to do the speech, and also our local partner, Sharif from EBTEX, which you'll be hearing about later on. We've already heard today the enormous amount of hype around blockchain these days. There are numerous evangelists and supporters for this new technology, like the guy in the cartoon. To some, this may be hype. For others, this could be a start of another epoch in our evolution towards a fully digital and connected world. So Marco has already done a very good job of describing what blockchain is today, so I'm not going to reiterate the very good job he's already done. I can help answer any technical questions that you may need after, but feel free to ask Marco first. Suffice to say, it is generally known that blockchain is the most secure database created today. A global ledger that once written into cannot be reversed or changed by any person, company, or hacker. This open platform is built on a consensus network with no central authority, and they're able to create trust in a trustless network. Most evangelists will start by saying the tech is revolutionary, it's going to change the world, then go on to say something like the entire world will be disrupted, it will end up being the cure for cancer, and of course, the key to world peace. While the hype may be a little bit overblown, blockchain advantages are numerous. And being able to harness the benefits of blockchain, organizations will be able to leapfrog or get a competitive advantage over companies that have not yet implemented blockchain solutions. Many organizations have already realized the blockchain benefits, and the academics and cryptographers have already proven the technology is sound and stable. Most international banks have announced they have blockchain initiatives and have started, and also many central banks have already announced the same as well. We here at ANX aren't your typical blockchain evangelist. We're just talking through the theoretical benefits of blockchain. We are a strategic partner focused on delivery. Our company helps companies cut through the complications of technology and bring ideas into reality with the blockchain. Our motto is practical disruption. Our vision is to make digital assets easy and accessible. With over 100 employees today, we are the world's largest blockchain service provider. We have been helping companies implement blockchain platforms and helping them realize the benefits of the blockchain. We are the only blockchain company today with live blockchain platforms, helping our customers see the benefits of blockchain. A couple of years ago, we were faced with a dilemma. We had positive cash flows, a dozen enterprise clients, and a continuous demand for our platforms and services. Our technology stack was already a software as a service platform, but we needed to do more to scale and create blockchain tools to allow the market to be able to innovate themselves and further increase the adoption of blockchain. We chose to deliver our service as a software as a service, as the main benefits of SaaS is security. Technology and security is hard. One of the reasons why we haven't seen blockchain take off quickly is because it's too technical at the moment, and every company is trying to reinvent the wheel. We should leave the technology and the security to the experts so that the businesses can focus on what matters most, servicing their customers and giving them the best experience possible. With SaaS, we manage your entire technology stack. However, just implementing SaaS wasn't enough. We wanted to make it more accessible even to a wider audience and really lower the barriers to entry, namely costs. So we decided to create and launch a brand new platform. Introducing ANX Blockchain Services. Instant provisioning of blockchain platforms customized with your logo, your company themes and colors, and at everybody's favorite price, free. We launched our ANX Blockchain Services platform 2 weeks ago globally. The demand for our platform has far exceeded even our best estimates. Similar to how free email revolutionized and drove adoption of the internet, our new platform will help spearhead the adoption of blockchain technologies for the general public. Now companies are able to create the payments applications, loyalty applications, token systems, traveler check systems, and ticketing systems easily and instantly. We will go through one real-life example of why blockchain is much better than existing solutions with the loyalty application. Loyalty points are traditionally hard to set up. You have high setup costs and even higher operations costs. Most loyalty programs die within 3 years of starting. Even a simple cafe card stamp loyalty program, you need constant backups of your data, management of the redemption, and fraud on a daily basis. This is a very manual and costly endeavor. Extrapolate that cafe over many cafes, and you will see that is a very expensive program. With blockchain, many of these operations costs can be solved. With our ANX blockchain services platform, you get the core features such as digital assets wallet, the digital assets, and a digital assets platform for exchange. This allows interoperability between other digital assets, which can include digital USD and also digital dirham. In the blockchain world, all forms of fiat are just another digital assets that can be exchanged with other digital assets. As you can see on our application, you can customize this with a few clicks, your logo and your customer company colors. We're going to go through a demo today. So with going to our ANX INTL portal, all you have to do is enter in your email address and sign me up. Now you will receive an email from our platform indicating that you've registered for their ANX blockchain services. You click the button to complete your registration, and instantly your site has been provisioned. Now you've set your password. This is for your administrator password. As you can see, the site is now live. Now you can log onto the system and access the console. From the console, you will be able to customize your logo, your banner, your colors, and various other options to make the experience feel that this portal is your portal. So you can delete, add, and manipulate the logos that you're choosing. Now we're going to change the background image. So currently it's a background of Hong Kong. Now we're going to change it to some clouds. So now we've uploaded the image. And then we reloaded the site. And as you can see in the top left corner, the logo has already changed. And also the banner or the background image has already changed. Now we're going to go to the console and change the wording. As you can see, we support multi-language. So any language that you want, you can add in and customize. So we're just going to remove a couple of words. And add another couple of words to the phrase. Now we click the checkbox to publish. And then we can reload. As you can see, the wording has changed. So we've created a custom portal for people to be able to manipulate the site, change it to their liking, all self-service. And this will allow us to build a very scalable solution to grow to 1 million users, 2 million users, 10 million users. So right now we're going to go ahead and change the colors. So if your company is not blue, you want to change to red. So this is where we're going to change the colors into something different. As you can see also from the links, you can change many of the links to different links to your corporate websites, to different info pages, to training pages. Okay, so now we've created a portal with your custom logo and your custom colors. Now we're going to get into the digital assets. So as you can see here, we're going to create a new digital asset. This digital asset can represent many things. It can represent loyalty points, can represent a coupon, can represent a token, or even a currency, a private currency that you guys want to create for members. What the application and use cases for this platform is really up to the operator or users. And this is the kind of platform we wanted to create. As our CEO alluded to earlier, one of the things that we found in our platform when we first released our ANX blockchain solutions to our enterprise customers, that customers were using it in very different ways than even we could imagine. So what we were thinking is, instead of us trying to come up with a solution and being one company trying to be everything to everybody, why not create the tools, allow companies and people, entrepreneurs like yourself, to be able to create the platform or the use cases that are good for you. We provide the back-end support, the security, the software as a service stack. You guys will be able to build your applications on top, and this is what matters to your customers. As many people have already alluded to, blockchain is just a technology. At the end of the day, people don't really care if it's blockchain behind there, it's an Oracle database, it's a MySQL database. What they care about is the front-facing application, and this is what you guys do best. So in this demo right here, we're going to show the digital asset being created, and then we're going to show how the sender and receiver are able to send the digital assets through the blockchain, recorded forever on the blockchain, and understand that once it's written to the blockchain, it will never be overwritten or be able to be tampered with. Again, this is to really show that the benefits of the blockchain is having a very accurate ledger system. Once you have a very accurate ledger system, the types of applications and secure applications you can build on top are endless. We've never had such a strong secure database before. I'm sure that many companies, with the large incumbents were able to build it. However, those were very costly, cost a lot of developers, a lot of security engineers, a lot of people to maintain. Now with blockchain, all this comes for free or at a very low cost into the protocol itself. As you can see, the account activity, and then you can see the notifications. And all these, we can always check back on the blockchain with the Blockchain Explorer, which is something else that we're going to be building on later on. And you will see all these transactions